Look, niggas ain't really a threat, let them know Stunt been holding weight like give me a sec. I even gave him a chance, I wasn't really impressed. I just been making my plans, I know they tracing my steps. Guess who they saying the best? Irony in that is, I really been working towards it, ain't even claiming it yet. Who you know shining this much without a chain on its neck? Really got the sauce, would've thought that I played for the Jets, real shit. Always focusing, that's something you should know about me. I been working double, would've thought I had a clone probably. Street smart, even though I been a homebody. More talent in my left hand than niggas' whole body. Niggas phony, gotta keep it real. I gotta do it so that I can put my brothers on like that Rose Adidas deal. That's something that them niggas need to feel. Is you with me, dawg? Be for real. It's Stunner.